स्मार्ट मीटर बसवपाच्या निर्णयाआड आणि वाढपी वीज बिला आड प्रदेश काँग्रेसीचे अध्यक्ष अमित पाटकरांच्या फुडारपणाखाला काँग्रेस कार्यकर्त्यांनी पणजींतल्या वीज खात्याच्या मुख्यालयामुखार विद्युत भवन एक खर निदर्शन केले. सरकारानं सामान्य जनतेचेर हो नाही तो आर्थिक भार लादला असो आरोप अमित पाटकरांनी यावेळार केलो. तशेच वीज बिला आणि मीटर संबंधित जनतेच्या तक्रारींचेर रोखडीच पावलं उखलची आणि हो निर्णय फाटी घेवचो अशी खर मागणी त्यांनी सरकाराकडेन केली.
We wanted to get the best because in Goa, Adhyaksh कसे येतात, तुम्ही कसे येतात, there are a lot of people who come with clarity and questions, awareness. So we ourselves were not knowing how to go about and this technology because a lot of people were creating issues out of it. So we were waiting for it to get it resolved. So multiple reasons. One was the SBD, standard bidding document we had to study. Being a small state and where everybody is on social media, education is also high. So we ourselves wanted to be very clear. We made a pilot project. So therefore delay was there and we had remote Koru checked them. In between nobody bidded. Being a small state maybe because they all were busy in the other states. And once you get certain contracts in other states, they do not have sufficient manpower and the capacity also to do it. So finally we got a rate which is very good rate. Still, since the estimated cost is low and people were talking like this and there would be allegations, so we made a detailed noting. We sent it to REC, who is the nodal agency for the government of India, that you give your comments because it looks like very high. So they said this is nothing to do with cost, what was framed by the central government, and we have done the comparison of all the other states. Our rural states, our BJP rules, just because finally it becomes a political issue. So by doing that comparison, we have taken the approach. The REC said the rates are fine and it's nothing to do with the actual cost. So this is the answer for the rates and due process, and therefore we have put it for cabinet also. So because the rates were high, because tomorrow it should not happen that I made by a bureaucrat, you show. Exactly. In fact, the L2 issue which I did not wanted to touch. People are, you are saying, there is no clarity in the market. Involved in this. In fact, Adani is I do not. आता no. आईज कोणाच घेऊ ना बरं चल लिव्ह इट लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट अदानी
डीजी स्मार्ट
सेकंड
तो बिन त्याचा पार्टनर निवडला की तुम्ही आमच्या आता डाऊट घातलं म्हणून आमका डाऊट येवपाक लागलो अडाणी
आता आम्ही बटवे म्हणून आनी फायन पण असे भायर व्हिडिओ बी खूप येताले ते आम्ही पळय आपणा तितले उडात सुद्धा जाल्यार सेकंड क्वेश्चन सांगू ना सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्लॅरिटी ना
कॉमन बारीक तुमच्या कांयच खबर ना
होय पण तुमचे नाव कितें
चिराग नाईक
चिराग बाब व्हिडिओ बाब पळयले चिराग बाब सी की तितून एकले पण डिसएडवांटेज ना आणि म्हाका कांयच समजना वाय देर इज नो क्लॅरिटी एक लेगून डिसएडवांटेज दाखोवची स्मार्ट मिटरिंगाची शांत हांव कंप्लेटूच जावं ना शांत कित्याक हक्क गोंयकार लोक पळयता आनी तुमी बोवाळ मात लोकांक कितें दिसता कोण चड व्हडली बोवाळ मारता ते इज रायट इज नॉट लायक दॅट शांती कित्याक ही मॅसेज लोकांक वचपाक जाय हे अवेरनेसूच न्ही क्लॅरिटी जी लोकांक तुमकां क्लॅरिटी ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान ती वचत क्लॅरिटी स्मार्ट मिटरिंग तूं म्हाका सांग आयज तुका 30 डेजांनी इज अ अर्लियस्ट बील वता खूब फाटी वचना तूं म्हणटालो 45 days 60 बेस्ड ऑन द सायकल बेस्ड ऑन द वर्क वॉट वी गिव रिलॅक्शन्स एंड एवरीथींग आनी तुका एक रिडींग येता आनी इतले पयशे येता आयज तुज्या एपार तुका एवरी हाफ एन आवर तुका दिसलें आयज ह्या 9 o'clock तुवें 2 युनिट घेतले 9:30 आनी 2 ऑल ऑफ अ सडन 10 युनिट जाले लेट्स से सो ऑन सो अशी तुका डेटा मेळटली वोल्टेजीची करंट पॉवर फॅक्टर रिडींग एक दीस कंप्लीट जालो की ना 25th of May 2026 your consumption was 10 units अशें एवरी डे ग्राफ येतलो जस्ट ओपन लेट्स से तुमी हॉलिडेर आसा तूं बायसर्स आपलें घरूच बंद आसा
अरे हॉलिडे करपाक मेळना सध्या प्राईम मिनिस्टरांनी भायरच परिणाम आहे.
बरें भायरच नाका लेट्स से अमित पाटकर काँग्रेसाची मिटींग घेवपाक पणजे आसा घरा कोण ना थिंगासर येता न्ही तूं सो
आमी काँग्रेसीक वता रे, BJP वाले work from home.
घर बंद आसा तरीकूय युनिट्स दाखयता देर इज समथींग रॉंग मे बी विथ द मीटर मे बी विथ सम ऑफ द इक्विपमेंट इन द हाउस so much insight so much information you will get and you based on that you will be empowered you will become powerful. Show with evidence voltage is low, why voltage should be low, my equipment has failed, all this. The lack of information, lack of data, you will not be able to prove it because of electricity department your equipment has failed or the low voltage is coming. All was powerful. Number one, no optimize the power. Today electricity it is different. Means in a are there for electricity. When the rate goes to 10 rupees, right now the market rate is 10 rupees. So or don't use it. We are charged on based on that. So they optimize करपाक म्हाका exact data side. बाबा कोलवा कितली घेता, कालांगूट कितली घेता, पणजी कितली घेता, and based on that I have to buy the power. See, there are a lot of implications which finally define the tariff, and finally it is loaded on the people of Goa.
लाईन सोडितली
ना योजना कमी येतली.
जाले
आम्ही एक्सप्लेन करपाक जाल्यार एक्सप्लेन करता. आम्ही पार्टनराक काही आसा.
नाही तू आता पळय सांगले न्ही काणी आयकपाक बरी दिसता काणी.
So, yes, ही कहाणी तुका लोकांक पावोवपाची ना.
5 वर्सां पयलीं तुम्ही मीटर घालू ना त्याचे पैसे आम्ही आजूनही फारीक करता.
ते
ना?
मीटर डिफरंट.
म्हणजे तुम्ही
तू म्हाका
digital
सांग एकटोच
meter
उलय
keep
प्लीज. See, your life first of all without information your life came. I have 2-3 meetings. Second इतली मीडिया घेऊन.
तू आता सांगता
तू कहाणी म्हणटा अमित
तुका
बाब
reading जाय
तुका
जाल्यार
समज
तू
जाल्यार ह्यो आयकोपा पडटल्यो न्ही काणयो.
तुझे ऐकलं
तू
ना,
आतां
आमी
तुका
वयता
आमी उलयता त्यो काणयो दिसता जाल्यार
दिसतात न्ही रे,
आमी कितें
460
करपाचें टू oppose it for the sake of opposition. They should know it, awareness should.
रिजंडम काढलो RAC नोडल एजन्सीन अप्रूव्ह केलं की कॉस्टाचो
तुवें कितें म्हणलें तुका मोरल रेस्पॉन्स इश्यू.
नो इट इज ही वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ तुम्ही हायकोर्टान होते कित्याक विड्रॉ केले
नाव घे बिकॉज
तुम्ही कित्याक क्वॉलिफाय जावपा जायना म्हणून फॉर दॅट टेंडर.
येस there is certain smart meter लोकां कित्याक विड्रॉ केलो अमित बाबाचो क्वेश्चन. meter L&T and secure you put Google. Genus and one was meters were failing again as those were only 2 lakhs meters. Genus people here, what is this happening? Then they started saying and by that time, in case when we went to court, when you blame it is we have to follow a process. We couldn't because we were worried that if this similar company comes will not be supplying, but then court said maybe have genuine reasons, but the process